Today, let's talk about the importance and virtues of learning the Holy Quran. The Quran is the pure and perfect word of Allah, a complete guide for human success in this life and the hereafter. It is a light in darkness, peace in distress, and guidance in confusion. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it to others." Sahih Bukhari. Imagine, the one who learns the Quran beautifies their life and earns endless rewards in the hereafter. Every letter earns blessings, and every verse showers mercy. Learning the Quran purifies the heart, strengthens character, and brings endless barakah, blessings, in life. It draws a person closer to Allah and protects them from misguidance. So come, let's fill our hearts with the light of the Quran. Make the intention today to learn the Quran and become among the beloved servants of Allah. May Allah grant us the ability to learn, understand, and live by the Quran. Ameen.
Jazakumullahu khairan.